Seventh problem. If A and B represents the side and diagonal of a parallelogram, find the other sides and the other diagonal. Here PQ or A and B are the side of the parallelogram. In the parallelogram, let the parallelogram be A, B, C, D here. So this is the parallelogram and vector A is the side, and we can say vector B is AC, the diagonal is B vector. Here it's given one side and one diagonal of the parallelogram. We want to find the other sides and the other diagonal. Okay, so here AB is A vector, and here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and we can put the arrow mark like this: AB, BC, CD and DA. Here AB and CD are in opposite direction. Okay, so we can easily say this AB equal to minus CD. So we can say CD is minus A. Okay, so we conclude this one side, the opposite side here, and then here AC is B vector and AB is A vector. From these two we can easily find out the side BC. Okay, so AC is nothing but AB plus BC. AC is nothing but AB plus BC. So AB is A vector and we don't know about this BC, so put BC as it is. And the next line we want to find the side BC. So take this A vector to the other side, it will become minus A. Therefore BC vector equal to B vector minus A vector. And then if it is B vector minus A vector, the opposite side DA is in opposite direction. So we have to put one minus symbol, isn't it? So we can say AD equal to minus BC. So minus of B minus A, it's nothing but minus B plus A. That means A vector minus B vector. So now we found the other three sides. Now we want to find the other diagonal BD. BD is nothing but BC plus CD. Okay, BC plus CD. So we can say this BC plus CD. BC is we found already as B minus A, plus CD is minus A. So put minus A here. Therefore the value of BD is B vector minus 2A vector. Eighth sum. If PQ vector plus OQ vector equal to QO vector plus OR vector, prove that the points PQR are collinear. Here it's given PO vector plus OQ vector equal to QO vector plus OR vector. That means we can say this vector as PO plus OQ is PQ vector and QO plus OR is QR vector. So both are equal means here we can say PQ vector and QR vector are parallel. And in these two we have Q as the common point. Therefore if it has the common point like this, we can say the points PQR are collinear. Ninth sum. If D is the midpoint of the side BC of a triangle ABC, prove that AB plus AC equal to 2AD. Here it's given D is the midpoint of the side BC. We can write this AD as AB plus AC by 2 because D is the midpoint there. So AD is the AD can be written as AD vector equal to AB vector plus AC vector by 2. If you cross multiply this, we can have 2AD equal to AB vector plus AC vector. 10th sum. If G is the centroid of the triangle ABC, prove that GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector equal to 0 vector. Here it's clearly given OG equal to, the centroid of the triangle is nothing but OG equal to OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector divided by 3. If you cross multiply this, we got 3 OG vector equal to OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector. And then we want to prove this thing, GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector equal to 0 vector. So we want to take this left hand side like this. This GA vector can be written as OA minus OG. This GB vector can be written as OB vector minus OG vector. This GC vector can be written as OG vector minus OC vector minus OG vector. So from this we have 3 OG there. So if you add this 3 minus 3 OG, the remaining things OA vector, OB vector and OC vectors are here. This OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector is nothing but 3 OG. So 3 OG vector minus 3 OG vector is nothing but 0 vector. 11th problem. Let A, B and C be the vertices of the triangle. D, E, F be the midpoints of the sides of BC, CA and AB respectively. Show that AD vector plus BE vector plus CF vector equal to 0. Here in this triangle, clearly it's given D, E, F are the midpoints. So we can easily write the position vectors of OD, OE and OF. So here OA vector is A vector, OB vector is B vector, OC vector is C vector. And for this D vector we can write B vector plus C vector by 2. OE vector is C vector plus A vector by 2. And OF vector is A vector plus B vector by 2. Okay. So we want to prove here AD vector plus BE vector plus CF vector equal to 0. So take this left hand side and we can write this left hand side as AD vector as OD vector minus OA vector. Then BE vector can be written as OE vector minus OB vector. CF vector can be written as OF vector minus OC vector. Then we want to substitute all the values of OD, OE, OF and OA, OB, OC. Okay, so substitute all the values like this. Then we want to simplify it now. Okay, take LCM and we can simplify this so that we got the value as 0 here. Everything will be cancelled. So the answer will be 0 vector. 12th sum. If ABCD is the quadrilateral and EF are the midpoints of AC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of BD. Then we want to prove that AB vector plus AD vector plus CB vector plus CD vector equal to 4EF. Here it's given ABCD is a quadrilateral and OB the origin. As usual, OA vector is A vector and OB vector is B vector and OC vector is C vector, OD vector is D vector. Here it's given E and F for the midpoints of AC and BD, isn't it? So we can write this E as, here this is A and this is C vector, isn't it? So we can write A vector plus OE can be written as A vector plus C vector divided by 2 and OF can be written as B vector plus D vector by 2. By cross multiplying these two we got 2OE equal to A vector plus C vector. If you cross multiply these two we have 2OF equal to B plus D vector. Okay. Then we want to write the left hand side of this is AB vector plus AD vector plus CB vector plus CD vector equal to AB vector is nothing but OB minus OA. AD vector is OD minus OA. CB is OB minus OC and CD is OD minus OC. Then we want to simplify, substitute all the values of OA, OB, OC and OD as well as So if we substitute the values here, we got like this. So b vector minus a vector, d vector minus a vector, b vector minus c vector, d vector minus c vector, like this. Here 2 times b, 2 times a, and 2 times d, and 2 times c here. So we can take this from 2b and d, 2 of b plus d, and from these two we can take minus 2, so 2 of a plus c. This b plus d can be written as 2OF, and a plus c can be written as 2OE. By these two we have this, already we proved that. So we can multiply this 4OF minus 4OE. Take 4 as common thing here, so that it will be OF vector minus OE vector. So this can be written as EF vector. Therefore, we proved AB vector plus AD vector plus CB vector plus CD vector equal to 4EF vector.